Warning, this video may contain flashing images. Woohoo!
They had seating around the side as well. Look.
Oh yeah. Hello to Mrs. Tooth.
Hello.
So this is just a quick view of what was it, 44 euros on EasyJet?
Yeah.
So it's 44 euros on EasyJet, but if you come here and book direct, it's 140 euros a night. It's been all right, isn't it?
Yeah. Bed's comfy, shower's good.
Yeah, bed's comfy, shower's
all clean.
good. Yeah, it's everything you need. They've got a little bar in there as well, so we are about 10-15 minute drive from Alicante airport, so about 10-15 euro in a cab, and then about the same again on from Alicante town centre. We weren't actually planning on staying here, it was just cheaper to book an EasyJet holiday than it was the flights on their own. And I did say to Mrs. Tooth last night, it's the best car park I've ever brought you to, isn't it, Mrs. Tooth?
It is, yeah.
We sat out here having a drink last night.
In the car park.
In the car park.
It was nice and chilled.
Yeah, it did the job. So this is the room. You can see it's a pretty decent size. Let's have a quick look in the toilet. In here, very standard sort of capsule style toilet.
Nanu.
Mrs. Tooth has had quite a lot to drink.
That shower is fantastic.
It's very hot.
And there's loads of room in there.
Yeah. And given this is £44 a night, you've got conditioner up there, and you've also got sort of soap, body, hair wash, whatever you want to call it. And you've got the same on this side. And there's also plugged in hairdryer there and another plug. So there's plenty going on in there.
Aircon.
And that works really well, doesn't it?
Yeah, really good.
Over by the beds, you've got a standard Spanish plug or Euro plug. You've got a couple of USBs on this side here as well. You've got a switch for that side light and also for the main light. The bed is really big. I don't find it overly comfortable. I think Mrs. Tooth's a little bit.
Yeah, no, I find it more comfortable than Lucimar.
Lucimar. Oh, well, yeah,
Lanzarote.
everything was more comfortable than Lucimar. We've got the mirror there. We've got the TV. Over here, we've got loads of storage space. Up the top there as well, you've got the window, and the window opens a crack. It's on one of those like lock things, so you can't chuck yourself out of it. And then you've got more storage shelves over there, a big desk that's got all our crap on it, and a chair as well, and another little table. On this side you've got the plug right by the bed, but the two USBs are over there underneath that thing, and there's another plug socket there as well. So all in all, for £44
Bargain.
for a night on the EasyJet deal, I think Mrs. Tooth just said it.
Yeah, bargain.
It is a bargain. It is a decent sized room.
And it's clean. And we get room service. not room service as you know it. They come in, change the bed, give you new towels, clean the bathroom, clean the room.
Yeah. Daily.
Yeah.
So, yeah, pretty decent.
We don't get that in Premier Inn at home.
Hello folks, so we are in Alicante today in the Costa Blanca in Spain, and we are going to take you around some of the best places to go and get some local tapas. I need to eat about every five, 6 times a day at the moment.
Yeah.
So every 2 to 3 hours, and we're going to be walking around, so probably a little bit more as well, which means tapas is a brilliant option. So we are hoping, I think we are going to do a hit and hope, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because there are plenty online that say go to this one, go to that one, and they all end up in very similar ones. So we are just going to try out and see what we can find as some of the tapas that you can get in Alicante in Spain in autumn 2025. Right, breakfast time, Mrs. Tooth.
Yeah, come on in.
Right folks, really hope you've enjoyed that video. If you have, check out another one up here.